What inspired me to build a sustainable home was mainly learning from past errors in places I've lived and from positive experiences in places I've visited. The European tilt swivel triple pane windows that I saw in France and Scandinavia made me want the same thing where I live here. It's using no fossil fuels if possible and being as much energy self-sufficient as possible. I also wanted to recycle rainwater, and that we've done as well. We use rainwater for toilet flushing and for cold water for laundry. We started a long time ago with A1. I was impressed with them because I would pass their shop and they would have bike maintenance for free. And I saw other work that they'd done and I liked it. So I contacted them and said, would you be interested in a whole house? This lot had been ours for many years. It was just blackberries. The major designer, Maggie, was instrumental in helping me decide what I really wanted. When I didn't know, I would ask her and she would kindly show me examples and give me ideas to help coax out what I really wanted. That's just invaluable in a designer you're working with. The crews are all paid fairly, and it's a cooperative, not a business with a chief and stockholders and profit orientation. I felt my voice was listened to, important, and well respected. So you can't ask for much more in a builder except for quality work, and that I'm also very grateful for. I don't think we can go on living like we do, burning fuels and being callous about our use of resources, which are finite. I'm the recent grandfather, so I think about the next generations and what we want to leave for them is a legacy a lot better than we're doing now. So that's part of my motivation for that reason.